Here he is. Here's Elliot. Oh my goodness, he's laying down. For a second. He's kind of a spaz. He's a wild man. I'm calling him Wiggle Worm. Because he wiggles, and he wiggles, and he wiggles, and he wiggles. He's the happiest abandoned boy I've ever seen. Aren't you just so cute? You are so cute. You're kind of a spaz. Daddy thinks you're never going to freaking settle down. But I think you will. He had some fun with the ball. It's all over the floor. A little too soft with rubber that ball was. He decided he wanted to make it look like snow in here. Aren't you cute? We found the glow ball, though, and that's pretty exciting because that'll glow outside. And I think it's a little tougher than that other ball you chewed up. Okay, Elliot, we will check back with you later. No accidents so far, and you are just the happiest, wiggliest, pantingest, cutest little red dog.